Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you all my new ultrasonic cleaner that my wife got me for Christmas. So let me show you. Alright, so right here is everything that comes with this ultrasonic cleaner. We got the power cord, got a pair of large rubber yellow latex gloves. We got little I call it like an egg-shaped thing to put like very small jewelry in to clean. Got a nice yellow on one side and light gray on the opposite side. It's like a cotton mat. Got your wire basket. I like the wire basket because it's got rubber feet on it, so it doesn't scratch the inside of the ultrasonic cleaner. And we got it's called an owner's manual by Rumark. Ultrasonic cleaning instruction manual. All right, looks like inside. And let me take the lid off. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. It's quite deep. Okay, and right in the back of here, we have the on and off switch. Power cord goes right here. All right, a nice lid. Okay, nice handle. And this is the box that it came out of. All right. This is a 3.2 liter ultrasonic cleaner. They had Amazon had other sizes available on there, but I just chose the 3.2 liter, which to me should be big enough for what I need to do. All right. So let's hook this up and turn it on and see what it does. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and undo the cord here and plug it in. All right, it's got a plastic safety piece on it. Let's pull that off. All right, let's see. I'll move you guys back just a little bit here. Okay, right on the back of here. All right, power cord goes in one way, so the flat part of the power cord goes right in here, just like. Okay, just like that. And all right. Okay, so let's take this and let's plug it in right there. Okay, so now it's facing us. All right, so now what I'm going to do is now the power button I showed you in the back, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the temperature goes by Celsius. It does not go by Fahrenheit. So it goes by Celsius. And this right here is the time. Now I can bring the time, so it only goes up to 30 minutes. So if I hold it, or actually if I keep pushing the button, sorry. Yeah. So yeah, all right. So it goes up to 30. So it goes up to 29 minutes. And as far as the heat goes as high as if I hold the button in. Oh, okay, it does go up. Okay, if I hold the okay, so it goes as high as I didn't see before it cleared itself out. Come on. So 52, 53, 58, nice, 60. 80. All right, so it goes up to 80. So it goes up to 80 degrees, which is Celsius. All right, so I'm not gonna. So I could also turn that off. All right, so I can't turn it off. Okay. All right, so basically, if you want to clean a pair of plastic glasses, but you don't want to crank the heat up or do anything with the heat until you Google it to find out, like, say, hey, just ask Google. It'll recommend you the the heat setting in order to clean in order for the ultrasonic cleaner to do what it needs to do. Because if you set the heat too high, you'll melt your glasses, and that'd be a really bad thing to do. All right. So whatever you're gonna wash in the ultrasonic cleaner, always check what's recommended for heat on that particular item to put in your ultrasonic cleaner. Up to 29 minutes. All right. Now, if I hold this right here is the down button. If I hold the down button down, the time should automatically go down, but it doesn't. This one it does for the temperature, but for the time it doesn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on 3 minutes, or actually, I'll put it on for I think that's 2 minutes right there. And what I'm going to clean are these. All right, they're a little dirty. All right, but just to show you in action. This is what it looks like right now, okay? All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up in water, Sipper Green, because I use Sipper Green. So let me get this filled up in water water and cleaner, and then we'll put that in there. Lock and pliers in here first, nice and carefully down in there, and don't throw it in. I'm just gonna sit it nice and neatly. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take water. Okay, this is regular, good old tap water. Okay, and forgot to show you all. Now, if you all could see right here, okay, right here, I think this is where the water cut line off is. All right, but I think I could put a little higher up than that, and I'll show you. And I'll show you after I'm all done pouring. I might not even have to use that much water. Okay, just like that. Put the cap back on that. Now I'm going to use Sipper Green. I love Sipper Green. Sipper Green is a good grease, gut, and grime tough fighter. It's super. It's good. I use my carburetors with it and everything. So I'm just going to put a couple splashes of this in. I have to do a whole lot. That's it, just like that. All right, so this is what it looks like right there, like that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the plastic off on this. Alright, so I got it as best I could. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that lid on like that. And do that. Oh, it is doing something. Wow. Holy cow. And I had the temperature set on 134 degrees, or 134 Celsius. Wow. That is doing a really good job, actually. You can see all the stuff that's coming off right there in the middle. Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool. Yep, pretty cool. So it's working. All right, so I'm gonna wait till that stops, and then we'll resume. All right, so the ultrasonic cleaner stopped. All right, this is what it looks like. Gloves I came with. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God, that came out great. Whoa, yeah, that came out good. All right, I'm impressed. Now what I do, take my mat. Put it like that. I can also take paper towels and dry it off that way too. But yeah, so that's all the stuff that's on the bottom, and it might not look a lot, but there is actually a lot down in there. So now that we did the wrench and you saw it look really good. Now this is a carburetor that came off one of my weed eaters that I found. This carburetor is really nasty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the ultrasonic cleaner and do the same thing, but I'm going to keep the temperature at 135 Celsius and 2 minutes. So I'm going to keep it on. So let me put you guys down here. So, but see, since the ultrasonic cleaner does not go past 70 degrees, I have to keep it at 135. All right, so I'm going to put this in. Put that in just like that. As you can see, it's right in there. And I'm going to hit start. Whoa. Holy cow. That thing's really going up a storm. Wow. Holy cow. Alright, so I'll let the ultrasonic cleaner do its thing, and then I'll take it out, share the result. Alright, so right now I got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's off. Alright, so let's pull it out. Holy cow. Whoa. Flip it off. Whoa, that actually came out good. I'm freaking impressed. I mean, that came out good. Look how dirty that water is. Oh, that water is like that. This solution is really dirty. Ugh, disgusting. All right, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, nice and clean. And here are the pliers all dried off. These were all gunked up, dirty, greased. Now, they're actually nice and clean. All right, everybody. I looked in the owner's manual to find out what the temperature settings should be on for different items, and surprisingly, it did not show nothing, which is kind of shocking. So, whatever you want to put in the ultrasonic cleaner to clean, always go on Google, voice in, type in whatever it is, like, how to, what is the recommended temperature to clean a pair of plastic glasses? And it'll tell you right off the bat. All right, you just gotta scroll down a little bit. It'll be right there in big bold print. Okay, and then whatever it is, set it to that. And then now, if your ultrasonic cleaner does not go under 125, it does not go. All right, so just try to be careful what you clean. That's all I'm asking. Try to be careful what you clean. And also, I'll put this ultrasonic cleaner down in the description box below this video. So that if y'all interested, click on it, bring it right to it. All right. So again, whatever you're gonna clean, carburetors, carburetor spark plugs, tools, jewelry, glasses, whatever. Just always check online to find out what the recommended settings are as far as temperature goes, so you don't ruin anything. All right, folks, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you all in the next video. Bye.